Hi! This time a quick teardown video of this 3-port QI charging pad station. I showed already a video about it and I never really used it, so I will just take a look inside and take you with me. First I tried with this knife, and I'm just pulling this leather kind of thing from the back. Here's the charging connector, and I'm just gonna see what's behind it. And as always, only cut to yourself, so it hurts more. Okay, that's a lot of paper. So there's a big stack of paper under it. Wonder if that is a fire hazard. So maybe it is needed to pull the leather case to the top away, because most of it is just paper, as we can already see here, and only the top plate is out of plastic. That's super strange. So it is needed to destroy it completely, but that's okay. It's more like a book than a QI charger. So much paper. More like origami than a QI charger. Okay, halfway there. Not so quick teardown, but okay. Let's see where we get. Why is it so dirty to open it? So much dirt. Okay, another layer of paper is getting away. And here, just to show it, is only paper and just a little bit of plastic on top. A very small layer of plastic. There died my battery. But now we are back again. Yeah, back to the paper plate. Here we can clearly see the paper, and only here is a little bit of the PCB, and also we can see here the PCB starts and it goes until there. So the QI charging pads were here, here and here. So I think there will just 3 coils and a little bit of electronic in this area. Let's see inside. Okay, that looks exactly like it. I need to pull the coils apart from the plastic so they don't get ripped off. And now we are there. It's funny how much paper or pappe is inside. Okay, the PCB is also glued behind the other paper part, and it's a complete PCB that is going over the complete side. kind of hard to get apart. I bet this even wouldn't go into the extra Sondermüll. It would go into the paper bin. Okay, here inside we can see three kind of the same PCB layouts. They are just copied over the layout for the three different QI chargers, but this way it's also guaranteed that they all three work with the same power and don't get irritated by each other if there's this were kind of 3-in-1 QI charging IC or so. So this is totally different, and I bet you could also cut them and power them, yeah, from other power sources. Also here is a tiny LED. That LED wasn't even visible through the top because it was completely, yeah, blended inside of the leather case. Just to show or see if it still works, I will plug it in. Yeah, no. Oh, okay. There are also 3 LEDs on top. That looks kind of nice. Okay, and they will also turn on if the charging process starts. And here it's also then visible. Okay, maybe that is even useful to use the PCB and the coils. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.